Welcome to my online welding training program. I am Albert Idio, that's the accredited trainer and assessor. In this video, we will discuss about fit-up welding materials or welding equipment. The tack welding is after items have been welded together have been positioned as required. Tack welds are used as a temporary means to hold the components in a proper location, alignment, and distance apart until final welding can be completed. Okay, kapag nag-tack tayo, temporary lang siya, no? Pwedeng tanggalin or pwedeng permanent na siya. So, importance of tack welding: hold the assembled components in place and establish their mutual location. The second is ensure their alignment, complements the functions of fixtures or permits its removal if necessary. Control and contrast movement and distortion during welding. Set and maintain the joint gap. Temporarily ensure the assemble's mechanical strength against its own weight if hoisted, moved, manipulated, or overturned. Okay, in fit-up, we need to study about the striking an arc. Paano magpapasindi, no? Okay, so we have the tomb method, we have scratch technique, or the tap method technique. Okay, when you say scratch mo lang siya, parang nag-ano ka ng posporo, no? Nag-scratch ng posporo. Okay, then another one is the tap method. So tap, then start ng arc. Okay, so we have different types of bevel. We have the single B, we have the double B, we have the T-joint, the close butt joint, we have the double B, we have the J groove, double J groove, U groove. Okay, so that is the types of the groove. Pag nagtatak tayo, be sure na ang tack natin, kailangan natin ng kung sa clock, mag-start tayo sa 12 and susunod ay 6. Then third is 45 and last is the 15. Okay, para maiwasan natin yung paggalaw ng bakal. Thank you for watching. Please watch my next lesson for you to enhance your skills and knowledge in welding. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But before you do that, make sure you are logged into your account. Thank you.